Hi everybody, this is April coming to you with a quick tutorial here to help you create a blog post. So after you log into Weebly, this is what it should look like. So I'm going to edit my site, and my internet's being really slow, so I apologize for the delay this evening. It's working, I swear, it's just slow. Okay, so then once you get in here, you're going to go to your reflections page, wherever that may be. And down here in the bottom right corner, you'll see this new post button. So you're going to click new post and then scroll down there. Don't worry about this RSS feed. It's unimportant. You don't need that. Just click the new post and then type in your title here, whatever the week is, week 2. Put the title of the post or whatever you want to put in there. That's fine. And then here you're going to need to drag things in there again. So drag the text in there and, okay, I type that out, I type it out. I highly recommend that you start a Google Doc or a Word document and that you keep all of your Weeblies there. You type them out there and then just copy and paste them into the Weebly blog, because people have lost posts before. So please take my advice and use a Word document or, like I said, a Google Doc or something, and keep track of all of your things outside of Weebly as well. So once you get that done and you have your post ready to submit, you click post. I'm going to X out of that, and then I'm going to click publish to make sure that it's done. Okay, so again, this is the website. You do not need to submit them each week. I will look at them at midterm, so in like 3 weeks, and then I will look at them again at the end of the semester. So you don't have to submit them every week. Just make sure that you keep up with them, because otherwise they build up really quickly. I think that's it for now on the Weebly. That seems to be the most common question I'm getting right now. If you scroll down there, you'll see there's my blog post and all of that. So eventually you can change like the author here and all of that stuff. And oh, I know one other thing. This right here, see where it says Wags and Paws? So you can very simply turn off that logo, but if you wanted it to say your name there, if you just click on settings and then site title, if I wanted to say my name, I could do that and then hit save and hit publish. Publish always makes it live. Now you'll see that says that there. It has my name instead. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Otherwise, hopefully this gets you going and you're on your way.